You want to know the best investments to make for the next 10 years? Now, I'm going to tell you this while I'm driving over here. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Now, I'm going to tell you something. When you're thinking about long-term investments, it's important to focus on options that you're gonna know you're gonna grow steadily over time. So whether you're saving for a retirement, a fund, a home, or you just want your money to grow, you want to watch it grow, the right investments can really help you build your wealth in the next decade. Okay, so in this video, we're going to explore some of the best investment choices that can help you secure your finances over the next 10 years. All right, so I'm going to give you 5. So here are 5 great long-term investments to consider. Now, you got stocks. Stocks of strong companies like Apple or Amazon can grow significantly over time. There's index funds like the S&P 500, which offer broad market exposure, helping your money grow with the economy. Okay, I'll put this all in the description. Third one is you got real estate, which can provide consistent value as it increases, the rental property increases over time for a long period. Mutual funds are a great way to invest in diversified portfolios of stocks and bonds. And you got retirement accounts like the Roth IRAs or the 401k, which allows you to invest for the long term with tax advantages. Okay, check out those 5. Now, the key is to stay patient. Let your investments grow over time. Don't rush. Start now for a better future. It's about compound interest. That's how the money grows. I wish I knew that when I was younger. If you like this video, leave me a like. I love you.